Jiggy 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 jiggy, let her see bam 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 bam. Put the jiggy 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 jiggy, put the bam bam. Jiggy jiggy, bam bam. Jiggy jiggy, voila mudam. No.
Guys, let me warn you for the last time, especially about the relationship videos that you see on social media every day. Guys, whatever we want on social media, don't believe what you see on social media, guys. People are keep lying on you. Whatever by dirang on social media is for the likes and fame, guys, and entertainment purposes only. Whatever by bolelang on social media or whatever ba le botjang ka yona or whatever ba find the tips ka yona, they don't do them in real life. So imagine you taking an advice yam said you bolela ka taba ya gore hey na I don't wanna get married or na I don't wanna hey man this man that, then jiggy not to find out in a hard way or this person is not doing whatever she told you. So lena le believer whatever le bonang. So I'm trying to like every time ke whenever to about these things di drama on social media. I'm also an influencer, guys. I'm being honest with you now. So you guys are busy listening and taking advices from other people on social media and using them in your relationship. Hey, Lena guys, little one matata one day. Nas, when I keep on listening to those people telling you, hey man, this, man, that. Even for those men who says, women. Lena, little one matata. So guys, don't listen to anyone. If you got a relationship right now, you are in relationship with someone, babe, we gonna run our relationship the way rena re nyakang ka gona and the way rena re bona gore o right ka gona. But what can I say? Some of you won't listen gore na ke direng gore na guys a ke sa tseba guys. Mara like black people, you have never seen a white woman attach whatever it around social media and level so many relationships they are laster than black people. Hey, my type, my standard, I don't settle for less, especially in the women category.